Hello, hello. Welcome to Facebook Live and YouTube Live. This is Albi Subba all the way from Fort Worth, Texas. It's been a while. I did not get chance to come to live, but today this Facebook Live and YouTube Live is for all network marketing leaders who are building their business and in some point they felt the need of automating their business. There are various reasons why you need to automate your business. And in SalesDrivePRO, we help network marketers to automate their business with crazy automation. But it's not just automation, it's very effective and efficient automation that will literally 10x your business growth. It will help you to get rid of that recruiting problem in your network marketing business. It will help you to get rid of volume problem issue in your network marketing business to generate income month after month and have a rapid duplication. So if you're lacking growth in your business in overall network marketing game, this is the Facebook Live and YouTube Live that you need to watch, because in this kind of live, I share bit and pieces of all the automation that we provide and help network marketing leaders. I've been in network marketing industry, and currently I'm in network marketing industry for more than 10-12 years now. And I'm glad that after 4 or 5 years of learning all this digital marketing and automation, today I'm able to help or offer help to other network marketing leaders to automate their business too. So before we get started, again, who is this live for? This live is for all network marketers who want to automate their business, who want to know a little bit of secret in automating their business. So that's what I'm going to share. I'm going to share about funnel, mapping, and tracking. These are three important factors, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take you to SalesDrivePRO and show you how we make it happen to all network marketers who want to build their network marketing automation system. But before I do that, let me share this Facebook Live and YouTube Live to other audiences so that we'll have more people coming in here and watch and get these golden nuggets. Okay, and let me make sure I have audio and video going right, because sometimes it does not. So give me a moment. Let me check really quick and see what's going on. Okay, and we will be sharing that very soon. Okay, I am live in Facebook. That's what I saw here. So let me check my audio and video. Okay, looks like it's going good. So again, welcome everyone. Welcome. Let me do one more thing really quick. Okay, and then we will start really soon. Okay, so let me share this in my feed. So I think it's been shared. Okay, once again, welcome to this Facebook and YouTube Live. If you're network marketers and want to know all the bit and pieces about automating your business online, especially after this pandemic, in some point you have realize that you need to leverage internet and technology, and in this kind of Facebook Live, every day moving forward, I'm going to show you how in SalesDrivePRO we help other network marketing leaders to automate their business in efficient way and effective way. It's not just automation, it's all about efficient and effective way to automate your business, right? So today we are going to talk about funnel, mapping, and tracking. You see, these three topics are really important topics while automating your business. Now, many of you might already know what is funnel and how it works in your business, right? Funnel, if you do it in right way, it's kind of your personal assistant who which is gonna work for you and your team member, and never gonna complain, and never gonna ask you a paycheck, but it will work for you and your team, entire organization, 24/7, 365 days, entire year, whether it is raining or shining, it will work for you if you do it in right way. Now, the basic use of funnel in network marketing is to automate your business presentation, business overview. Basically you bring on your prospect and put it in a funnel, and they go through the funnel, and you automate everything within that funnel, follow-ups, business presentation, whatnot, right? You can even qualify your prospecting funnel. I'm not going to go into details how funnel works, because most of you, if you are, you know if you are paying attention to how you can automate your marketing, network marketing business, you might already have knowledge about it, right? If you don't have it, we're going to talk about that in a different day. But today I'm going to tell you this: funnel, mapping, and tracking. These are three different things that you need to understand when you automate your business, right? Many of you might have ClickFunnels, you might have Builderall, you might have Wix, you might have other Kajabi, you might have Katra, and various kind of platform that you are using to automate your business. You might have funnel, that funnel might have designed by some expert, and you might have paid thousands of dollars to do that. But at the end of the day, if you don't understand how funnel mapping and tracking works, you might not, you are, I can tell you, you are not getting much out of those kind of automation. Because to understand to get most out of all this automation, you need to understand funnel, mapping, and tracking. And I'm going to show you how we do that in SalesDrivePRO. All right, so let me share my screen really quick and so that how we do that in SalesDrivePRO. So I have lots of options, lots and lots of options here to share that. So I'm going to pick one of the option right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this option, so that, okay, let me share my screen, and I hope you can see me, right? Okay, you can see my beautiful face and my screen. So let me bring this sharing here. So let me open up SalesDrivePRO right here. And SalesDrivePRO is a software platform where you can build all the crazy automations, right? Funnels, websites, membership sites, and all those kind of things, and have a crazy automation. So this is a platform where you can do that, right? So here is a funnel. Here is one of the example of network marketing funnel where you can see this. I'm gonna edit, open in editor, right? So this funnel looks awesome right here, right? This is just the mock-up funnel, right? You can use it in SalesDrivePRO. You can build this kind of drag and drop funnel in SalesDrivePRO. It's like other drag and drop funnel building platform. But the difference between other drag and drop funnel builder and SalesDrivePRO is really big. With SalesDrivePRO, you have everything in it. You have funnel building platform here. You can build various kind of drag and drop funnels. You can build website. You can build membership site to train your team members or customer about your product and services or business. You can do email marketing. You can do text message marketing. You can do ringless voice message. You have a simple but powerful CRM system that will give you a real advantage to track each and every prospect team member in your business, so that you won't let them fall through the crack, right? It has all the crazy automations in between funnels, text message, email marketing, and everything. You can do lots and lots of automation without using any other app or software like Zapier and stuff like that, right? So that's the power of a SalesDrivePRO funnel building platform and automation platform. But funnel building is one thing. You need to know and you need to understand how to map out your funnel and how to track your funnel. That's why today's topic is funnel, mapping, and tracking, right? So I'm going to show you how you can build a funnel in SalesDrivePRO a little bit, not into details, but I'm going to show you how you can build funnel in SalesDrivePRO. In fact, I'm going to show you, after that, I'm going to show you how we map the funnel before we build the funnel and how we track the funnel, right? Of course, there are lots of platforms out there which will provide you with analytics, but when it comes to tracking your funnel, those kind of analytics, how many people visited your page, does not make sense to you, or it does not give you a clear idea of what you can improve in your funnel and in your automation, so that your automation is so efficient and so effective, right? If you don't know where you are missing, or where there is a gap, where there is something that is missing, then you won't be able to optimize it, you won't be able to make it efficient, effective, right? That's why you need to able to have funnel, and before you are able to have funnel, you need to able to map it up and build it and then track it, right? So how we do that, let me show you. We have a technology here, it's called funnel map, right? Funnel map in our SalesDrivePRO. It's a different software, but we integrate it in SalesDrivePRO, which will be able to help you out to map and track your funnel, right? So that's what you gonna have, right? So I'm gonna open this, right? So this is a technology that I'm talking about. Now, how we build funnel, let me show you really quick, right? How we build funnel is, whenever we build this kind of funnel, right, it's all drag and drop, right? You can drag and drop all this kind of things, you can make changes, and you can adjust it in mobile view. This is how it looks, right? You can have your own text, you can completely design it different way. We have various templates and themes for you to use it, right? And in SalesDrivePRO, we help you, we provide you one-on-one consultation, unlimited consultation, so that you don't have to bang your head in your decks going through all these technical things. Sometimes even a drag and drop funnel building thing will become very complex for people who are new to this kind of technology. And even if you are a little bit familiar with drag and drop funnel builder, sometimes you have hard time to fix things or put together things the way you want, right? That's why we're unlike other software platform. We hold your hand and we provide you unlimited consultation, and we build you this kind of funnel and help you to set up your automation system for your network marketing business, right? So let me show you how we can build this, right? For example, if I want to add another block, another part in this funnel, what I can do is I can go here, right? Section, add section, and I can choose full width or wide, medium, or a small section, right? For now, I'm gonna drag and drop a full width so that it will be full, so width, right? So this is a section, right? Now in this section, if I click this add row, now I can select how many rows I want to have in this section to put together things, right? So for example, in this section, I have 2 rows right here, right? 2 columns, right? So I'm gonna add rows here, and I'm gonna add rows with how many columns? 1 column or 2 column? Let's say I want to add 2 columns, right? So if I add 2 columns, now I have 2 boxes inside one big section right here. So this green one is section, and this blue one is a row, and these kind of like purple-ish kind of boxes, 2 boxes are column, 2 column. So I have a section, I have a row, and then I have column, 2 columns, right? Now I can add any elements, like I can add headlines here if I want to add headlines, or if I want to add video here, I can add video here. And basically when you click this element, you will have option on the left hand side right here, to put YouTube video, Vimeo, Wistia, or custom embed video, HTML5. You can embed any kind of video in this, right? You can add lots of things: headlines, sub-headlines, paragraphs, bullets, buttons, forms. Of course, we have a drag and drop form builder, we have a survey builder, so you can add those forms that you build here, right? You can add video, images, custom JS, HTML, survey. Another really great feature that we have in our platform is survey. You can have a survey, and this survey is not a dumb kind of survey, it's a smart survey. You have a logic condition that you can apply in survey. Based on the answer to that survey question, you can take your prospects or team member to specific page or a specific area. It's a completely smart survey, right? And based on the answer to that survey, you can trigger automation and call them or send them text message or email. Crazy things, right? You can add calendar Of course, we have a booking widget, our booking, scheduling appointment, feature inside our software. You can add map, you can add, SBZ images, all those graphics. We have countdown timer. We have a navigation menu, we have divider, we have progress bar, we have a image feature, and two-step order checkout, right? Lots and lots of elements that you can add in here. So it's very simple, right? When you add things like these, for example, if I want to add image right here, what I can do is add and do like this, so image will come right here, right? And it will automatically get adjusted in mobile view like this, right? Those things will be already optimized for mobile view. This is how you can do it. It's drag and drop. Now if you don't want this, you can simply delete this, delete this column, or you can delete this row right here, or you can delete whole entire section, right? So for now, I'm gonna delete this whole entire section and keep it like this. So building funnel in SalesDrivePRO is very simple. I'm not gonna go into depth, but there are lots of amazing things that you can do in SalesDrivePRO. Well, when it comes to building funnel, but this is not important. The important thing is, before you build funnel, you need to map it out, right? You need to have idea, okay, how you want to guide your prospect or lead through the funnel, right? What are the things that you want to include in funnel, right? You need to map it out. And for that, we have a software. This is amazing software where you can pretty much map it out like this. Like, look, this funnel is mapped out in this way. Look, crazy, right? This looks crazy, crazy, crazy. But let me show you what does this mean. Okay, let me little bit zoom it. So basically what happens is you will bring a visitor from various things, like from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever the traffic source you want to bring it on, right? Your leads will come, and when they come, they're gonna come into the opt-in page, right? So this is the first page where you can raise enough curiosity in your prospect's mind so that they can submit their information in this page. Now how this page looks, you can click right here and it will show you how this page looks right inside right here, right? This is amazing software. So this is the opt-in page where where the people comes in. Okay, looks like I'm showing the different one. Let me cancel this and go to another project right here and show you in fact the right one. Okay, so project MLM automation, I'm gonna go here and open up this one. So this is the funnel that I showed you earlier. So this is how I mapped it out, right? So your team member or you gonna invite people, leads to the opt-in page to take a look at your business or product and services, right? Through text or through social media, like various social media platform, like I showed you earlier. It could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, and anything else, right? And they will come through that, and the first page they will visit is that funnel landing page, right? Opt-in page, right here. You can change this as your liking, or you can make it which is similar to your company's branding and all those kind of things, right? And this is the first page where people will click here to provide their information to watch a business overview presentation or the sales page, whatever you're gonna put behind. And with funnel map with SalesDrivePRO, you can have a map, your funnel mapped right in here, and you can see your pages right here. When you click it, boom, it will come up right here, right? All the things will show up right inside the mapping tool, right? Now, not only that, if you want to edit this page, right? If you want to edit this, landing page in your funnel, you can do that right here. You don't have to go back to, the, funnel building, platform. Once you log in, into your funnel building platform, and once you start using, funnel map, you can edit your funnel right here. You click here and you can edit, make changes in your funnel right inside funnel mapping software right here. See, I can remove this and write whatever I like, right? And save it right inside here, right? You can have these. Isn't this amazing? Now another amazing thing is, once anyone comes in here in this page and submit their information, lead is generated, right? Now when this lead is generated, you can do many things. You can have automation set up inside the platform that we have in SalesDrivePRO, and say that, hey, when any prospects comes into our funnel, I want to get notified through SMS, I want to get notified through email or browser notification. And as you say, we will make it happen. When any prospects comes into the funnel, you will get notified via SMS or email or browser, one of them, have notifications from all those channels, right? You can have notification. Once that happen, what happens is, your leads gonna get into automated email and SMS sequence. Now these emails, basically, in network marketers has to come up with ideas to write very effective emails. You need to know how to make the email effective, right? But with SalesDrivePRO, we have a done for you emails. It's highly professional emails written by professional people with very engaging contents in it, and we have it all done for you. You don't have to worry about email follow-ups and all those kind of things. You don't have to worry about copy. Everything is done right here, all the professional emails. Along with that, the prospect will get into a text message sequence, also automated text message follow-up. It will follow up so consistently that even if you forget, once your leads come in or prospects comes into the funnel, it will do the job even if you forget, right? That's the power of automation. That's why if you are lacking consistency in your business, automation might be the solution for you. Or if your team is lacking consistency in business when it comes to following up and all those kind of things, automation might be the solution for your issue. Now after that, what happens is, that leads will go into another page where we present a business overview video or a sales page. And this page looks like this, right? We don't have video right here. It's just the funnel right now, right? It will say, watch this video to learn more, right? And then as soon as they watch this video, they will have a button to go through the survey, right? We will ask them, hey, please submit this survey and we'll provide you with 3 nights vacation incentive to Las Vegas or Orlando. Can you imagine what happens when your prospect comes and go through this presentation and you ask them to provide you a feedback and put a survey there by telling them, if you submit this survey, we're going to provide you 3 nights vacation incentive to Las Vegas or Orlando. Are they going to take action? I think so, right? Because we're providing 3 nights vacation incentive to Las Vegas or Orlando. It's not a timeshare presentation or stuff like that. It's a real vacation incentive. And we, SalesDrivePRO, and our company, Nimbang Enterprise, we sponsor that gift to all of your prospects who comes and go through this survey after the business overview page, right? Again, you can edit this page right from here where you can map funnel, or you can go into SalesDrivePRO and edit that funnel right here, right? So I'm gonna leave here. Okay, so the second step is right here in the funnel. This is the business overview page, right? So after that, what happens is they're gonna go to the survey, right? And the survey page looks like this, right? They're gonna click that button for the survey, and the survey page looks like this, and it will have a beautiful video right here which says, hey, complete this survey and we are going to provide you 3-night vacation incentive to Las Vegas or Orlando. And here will be the survey. In fact, this first page will be automatically filled out. If they filled the first opt-in form, this page will be automatically filled out. The only thing that will be remaining would be this one. What did you like the best, right? And this survey is based on Eric Worre's survey framework, right? If you know Eric Worre's survey framework, we have exactly same survey framework here, and I'm going to show you that survey framework in a while. Okay, so this is how it looks, the survey page. It's all done for you. All you have to do is put your stuff there, right? And once they get into this survey, how does the survey look like? Let's go and look, right? So portal to MLM survey right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you right here. Oops. Okay, the survey looks like this. It's a crazy survey. Again, this is based on Eric Worre's framework, survey framework, right? Like whenever we, ask questions, like it's kind of personal interview after, your prospect watch the video. So first, question would be, what did you like the best, right? And the option would be part-time income option, work from home option, no income limitation option. You can put these three option answers, like whatever you like, right? Which is, whichever you think is effective one. And if they, and there is a condition, right? Let me go here. Okay, and there is a condition, right? If they pick one, if they pick two, or if they pick third answer, what's going to happen? If they pick any of this answer, any one of these answer, it will take to the page 2, and it will say on number 2, page 2, it will say, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being not at all and 10 being ready to go, how open are you right now in this side project, right? How open are you to get started in this side project? That would be the question, right? And the answer would be 10 and 10, 6 to 9, 1 to 5. If they select 10 and 10, it will take to page number 5 right here, right? If they take 6 to 9 or 1 to 5, the survey will take it to page 3. Now in page 5, there is another question. Yeah, right. So if they say 10 and 10, there is another question based on what you have just seen. If you were to get started with this side project on a part-time basis, approximately how much would you need to earn per month in order to make this worth your time? Exactly, Eric, what is question, right here. And this is, we're trying to see what is the mentality of that prospect, right? We don't want to recruit everyone in our business. We want to recruit right material, right person in our business, right? So this question will ask that, and answer will be, $2,000 per month or more, or $4,000 per month or more, right? And there is a psychology behind these numbers, which we explain to all of the network marketers who wants to work with us and build automation system with us. We explain all the psychology behind all these numbers and answers, right? And based on that answers, they will go through another page, and like that. At the end, right? At the end, if they qualify through all the questions and if they seem to be the right person, right? What happens is they're going to submit this survey. When they submit this survey, if they are qualified with all the questions and answer, we can set up automation to directly get a call from our automation system to your cell phone, and it will say, hey, you have a prospect ready to get started. Would you like to connect with your prospect right now? If yes, press 1. If no, press 2. If you press 1, it will ring your prospect. It will call your prospect and connect you with your prospect. And you can say, hey, looks like you're ready to get started. Are you in front of computer or phone, right? Do you have credit card? And you can just recruit them and take them through the training process in your business, right? Or if you don't want to do that, you can set up an automation to get notified with text message and have this automation set it up, like saying, hey, you have a prospect ready to get started. Please call back your prospect at this number. His name is this, as soon as possible because he's ready to get started. You can get that kind of message from our automation tool based on your prospect answer through this crazy survey right here, right? Again, whenever you sign up with our SalesDrivePRO automation software, we explain every bit and pieces. In fact, we give you access to all these blueprints and mappings and trackings, right? Now let's go back. I don't want to go into too much details because of time, so let's go back to again our automation system. So we go back to our automation system, right? Which we're discussing. So after the survey, what happens is, they will go through the survey, and what happens is they will get into a confirmation page, right? And this is a confirmation page right here, right? And boom, confirmation page right here. Thanks for your feedback. Congratulations. Please submit your information below to claim your prize that we promised. So they need to submit this information. Most probably this information will be automatically filled because we set it up that way, right? Because since they already provided this information, this field will be already filled. All they have to do is click this button, right? And once this happens, within a couple of days, within 24 to 48 hours, they will get 3 nights vacation incentive to Vegas or Orlando, whichever they like, right? So that's what happens, right? And you can see, you can edit this page from right here, right? If you click here, you can edit this page. You can view this page right here in the funnel mapping software, right? We have a crazy software. Look, you can edit this picture, you can edit this text, whatever you want, right? And that's what happens. Now, if they filled out survey and based on that survey questions, if they get disqualified, they will come into another page, which is this one, right? This page. They will come into this page, which will say, thanks for your feedback. It seems that our side project is not right fit for you, at least for now. We hope to cross our path in future, right? But anyways, claim your free gift submitting this form, and they can fill out this form and claim their gift, right? So this is what happens. Now this is funnel mapping, right? And all the funnel building software and funnel mapping software are integrated with one another. When you map out funnel like this, you have a clear idea how you want to take your prospect. What would be the prospect journey when they go through your funnel when it comes to getting educated about the product and services you are offering to them or business you are offering to them, right? Now imagine, when you say, okay, when there are many network marketing marketers out there who says, oh, we have a fine-tuned system, right? Refined system in our business, proven system. And whenever you look at that system, they will say, okay, once you join the business, this is what you do. You get into the monthly ordering system. You recruit this many people. You contact this many people. You make a list. That's a process. That's not a system. You have a fine-tuned process. System is something that has a fine-tuned process with effective and efficient tools that goes hand in hand. That way, there won't be much of variables in between. You see, whenever you say, oh, we have a fine-tuned system, and say that, okay, once you join the business, you make a list of 100 people, you call 100 people, you go to your friends and families, you do this, you set up this many appointments and stuff like that. That's a process because, again, making a list of people and contacting them, how do that new person will contact them? How do they invite them? How do they do presentation? How do they follow up with them? There are lots of variables in between, right? But if you have a system where you can say, hey, tell them this and invite to this funnel, and once the prospect gets into funnel, everything is done by funnel and automation system. The automation system will follow up with the prospect with email. If they don't provide the survey, the automation system will send follow-ups and say that, hey, you did not submit a survey yet. What happened? Would you not like to have 3 nights vacation incentive to Vegas or Orlando, regardless of whatever is your feedback in our survey, right? Your team member might forget to do that, but the system won't forget. And the way we set up, follow-ups, email follow-ups, and text message follow-up is such a way that you will be amazed. There will be quarterly follow-up. There will be yearly follow-up for years to come. You might forget that prospect, but the system, as long as you are with us, system won't forget that prospect and it will follow up. And you never know, you might provide it information through the funnel this year, and after 5 years, that prospect might realize or might lose his or her job that he or she thought that it would be, something so reliable right now. But 5 years later, she might lost that job and change mind. And if she gets text message or email from you asking, hey, just checking on you, is everything okay? Are you still interested in having a side project or side income? What are the chances for you to recruit that person? What are the chances for your team member to get that person in? You see, that's why, lots of leaders in network marketing industry says, fortune is in follow-up. That's how you do. Now, another crazy things, once you start having all these people coming into this funnel, now the thing is that we have here, you see right here, visitor, everything will be tracked by this funnel map tool right here, right? So when we go live mode, it will tell how many people came from text message, how many people came from various social media platform into this page. After this page, how many people went into business overview page, how many people got onto SMS follow up, how many people went into email follow up. After that, everything will be tracked right here, right? It will show you the number of people they went through this page or this page or this page. Then and there, once you start having people coming into your funnel or automation system, if you check these stats, every week or 2 weeks here, you can tell where people are falling off and what you can make a change and make it effective and efficient, right? So that's why whenever whenever you think of automating your business, it's not just funnel. Funnel is a very minor part of it, right? You need to able to map it out. You need to able to track every visitor where they are falling off. Like if you're bringing 100 people into this page and you are only getting 50 people to business overview page, right there you should know that only 50% of people are coming through that first page to the business overview page. Now you need to think, you might need to do something to that first page to make sure that you will have 80 or 90% of people coming through that page to the business overview presentation. And when it comes to optimizing it, we are here to hold your hand and make that changes and optimize it if you are not a savvy person. But if you know a little bit of drag and drop things, you can do it by yourself. But again, something different with SalesDrivePRO is we just don't provide software to you. We provide full one-on-one consultation, unlimited consultation to make sure that we put together very effective and efficient automation system for your business, right? That's why in today's live, I told you, we're going to show you how you can build funnel in SalesDrivePRO and map it up. In fact, map it up and build it and track, right? You need to able to map the funnel first. You need to visualize and outline what would be the exact customer journey through your funnel. And then you need to build that funnel in a drag and drop, non-techy software where you can easily do by yourself, or we will help you to put things together for you, right? And it does not stop there. You should be able to track everything in your funnel, right? How many people are coming into your opt-in pages? How many people get through that opt-in pages to business overview page, right? How many people were missed? What you can do to reduce that, fall off in your funnels? All those things matters a lot, and a crazy automation. All right, today I showed you a little bit of things, in SalesDrivePRO and provided some idea, some secret sauce when it comes to automating your network marketing business, right? Tomorrow, I will be showing other things to really, really automate your business in a crazy way, but effective and efficient way, so that, you will truly, leverage internet and technology in your business. You see, there were many people who used to think and say that, oh, you know what, technology is great, but, you cannot build business automatically in autopilot way. Yes, you cannot completely build business in an automatic with automation only. You need to have a human touch, but with automation, it will allow you to have human touch in your business in different way. You will still have a human touch in your business automation. You will have many things that you can infuse in the automation system, where you can make people feel that human touch within your automation system. But automation system will make many things so good and so effective and efficient that you might not have imagined yet, right? So I hope I provided some value. If you think this video will provide some value to other network marketers, please feel free to like, comment, share to other people also. And I would be really, really thankful to all of you, right? Once again, my name is Albi Subaf, all the way from Fort Worth, Texas. I'm so excited. I've been in network marketing industry for the last 10, 12 years and have been learning and building network marketing automation system since 4 or 5 years ago, and now we're offering complete, crazy, effective, and efficient automation system to all network marketers out there, through SalesDrivePRO. It's our software. We're providing this service with lots of other things to make really smart automation in your network marketing business, so that you don't have to suffer duplication in your team, lack of duplication in your team. Lack of duplication in your organization will cost you big time, right? Lack of lack of a system, lack of tools will make you suffer so much in network marketing business. But if you have a little bit of grip on these kind of things, I'm sure your business will be in different place down the road. Once again, this is not a push button system, but this is a system that we can build together, and we can help you, we can guide you, we can hold your hand, and make sure this will work for you, so that one day down the road you will have so effective and efficient automation system that you will be so much different as comparing to other network marketers. Well, other network marketers are always hustling out there, where other network marketers are always running like a chicken without their head. You would be truly generating passive income, and your business will run so effectively and efficiently, even when you are in vacation, or even when you are not in the country, because of this automation system. With that, once again, be smart, grow your business with massive duplication. Have a system, have an automation system in your place working for you, and take your business to different place. You're in the right industry, right place, offering right thing to people. This is what Eric Worre said in recent GoPro event. There might be people who are praying for what you are offering. So never stop what you are doing. If you are with the right company, if you are with great company, if you have something to offer that is helpful to people, you don't need anyone's approval, you don't need anyone commending you about what you're doing. All you have to do is just keep sharing what you're doing. Just keep inviting people, just keep sharing what you're sharing. That's what it takes, right? With that, I will come to you live again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay open-minded. Bye-bye.